I have got weeds growing in the ridges of our soil beds in the Mittleider garden, and today I'm going to show you how we use the stirrup hoe and just a regular old rake to take care of them. In a Mittleider garden, there are 6 laws that you need to observe if you want to be successful. The 6th law is competition. The weeds in my garden are a source of competition for the plants that I'm trying to grow. They will take the nutrients and the water that I want to go into my food and use them to grow themselves. It's important that we keep a weed-free garden. Now, a question that I have seen a lot of people ask is, how do I take care of the weeds in my ridges? Pretty simple. You can do it with the stirrup hoe or the regular old rake. And I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. First, you'll notice that we still have our mason twine up here, and that indicates the location of our ridges. We need that in place to be able to do this. Now, I'm doing that kind of at an awkward angle here so that I can make sure I have it right on camera, but you can simply use your stirrup hoe and decapitate those weeds. And when you're done, if you haven't destroyed the entire ridge, just build the ridge back up like that. Now you can do something very similar with the rake. And ideally you're doing this when the weeds are small. All you're going to do is you're going to break down that ridge and pull the weeds out. Yeah, maybe. You've got a lot of root. There we go. Pull the weeds out of that soil. Pull them out. Yeah, outstanding. I broke my $4 rake. So we're going to go ahead and make do anyway. And you're just going to pull that soil back up under your twine and reform your ridge. If you do this while the weeds are small, you don't have to do as good of a job of removing them from this soil that you just pulled out of your ridge. When you pull it back up, so long as the small weeds are buried well in that soil, you're going to smother them, they're going to die, and that's going to be the end of the weed. So, pull out your weeds, use your twine, and reform your ridge. When we are all done, the ridge is formed back up and we don't have any weeds to compete with our food. If you're interested in the stirrup hoe that I'm using, I'll put an iCard to that video here for you to see. And at the end of this video, I will have a link to the Mittleider Gardening series if you're interested in a Mittleider garden. Thank you for watching.